How to add frames in Lensa. Ever wonder how to give your photos the extra polish look? Lensa has a built-in frame feature that's incredibly easy to use and can totally transform your images. Let me show you how. First things first, open your Lensa app. Now, select the photo that you want to edit. For example, I want to edit this second photo, which is right over here. Let's tap on it. Let's wait for a while. Once the picture is loaded, look at the menu at the bottom of the screen. You can see the menus right over here. From the option, find the option called Frames, which is right over here. Tap on it. Instantly, you will see a bunch of different frames categories. You can find everything from simple, clean lines to more decorative or the frame style borders. Tap on any of them to see a live preview on the photo. For example, this one. So this is how it looks. Did you find this style that you like? Some frames even let you adjust the thickness or the color. Just play around with the settings until it looks perfect. So which frame style is your favorite one? Are you the fan of the minimalist look or do you prefer something more retro? Let me know in the comments below. When you are happy with your new frame, just hit the save button, which is right over here. You can say top right corner. And there you have it. Beautifully framed photo ready to share. Give it a try. And lastly, if this video made your day a little bit easier, don't forget to like and subscribe for more amazing tips. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.